These pleather pants are cutting off the circulation to my brain. Hi, nice to meet you.
How are you? I like your sparkles.
Good. Oh, for you.
Thank you.
So.
I like the blue and the sequins.
You do, okay, good.
Okay,
because I can't breathe because of these pants. So
oh no!
It was all for you.
Are they leather?
I can't move.
They're real leather?
I don't think so.
That's not leather. That's not real.
It's not. I'm trying to sit comfortably, but I can hardly move in my pleather pants. Hmm? Do you have tips on how what? Oh! On how what? And the interview had started.
Are you
I
good?
just split my pants. Just split my pants. I just split my pants. Adam Lambert! And I was so excited to meet you.
You should go across, and you have this long tunicky thing.
Just graceful.
Lovely.
With the just cover it up with a crotch full of sequins.
That is my motto. Just if it doesn't look right, just throw some glitter on it.
Okay, so we're off to a good start.
Yeah.
You have a whole new life now.
I do.
So what's the single biggest change?
Money?
That's such a perfect answer. You also met Oprah. You had an in-depth sit-down with Oprah.
I did. That was amazing. A little intimidated. And the minute I walked out, when she... Adam Lambert! Adam Lambert!
Adam Lambert!
Adam Lambert! I sat down and I just felt so comfortable. She has a way of making you feel really at ease, so...
So who's more intimidating, Oprah or me?
You.
Thank you.
It's the glamour.
Thank you,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Oh, Big O didn't throw on a sequin coat.
No sequins from Oprah.
Big O didn't split her pleather pants.
No.
I was the biggest fan of your scandalous AMA performance.
Thank you.
But I don't want to dwell on it.
Okay.
So we're not going to talk about this.
We're just going to show it?
We're not going to talk about it. Or this. We're not going to talk about that either.
There it is.
If you just the urge comes over you at any point during this interview to do something even more scandalous to me,
okay.
I'm going to welcome it.
Good to know.
Because I need the press.
Good to know.
So, anything you want to do.
You know,
There's a big hole.
Oh!
You make me so nervous and inappropriate. Let's talk about your fans, Adam Lambert. They sent me a bunch of Twitter questions for you, and overwhelmingly, all of the Lamberts wanted to know if you were dating anybody.
No. Not officially. What is dating anyway?
I mean,
what does that
do
mean?
you get hella dudes throwing themselves at you?
Not hella.
But ish?
A couple here and there.
Do you get tons of women throwing themselves
No,
at
I'm
you?
not going to say I got tons, but I get more aggressive women than I do men. That's the statement.
Is there a single woman in the world who could convert you?
Besides you, I don't know. I don't believe in converting. It's like such a silly thing. I do think that it's possible someday.
You are openly gay, but are you a closet ginger?
Yes. Actually, my hair color is really close to yours.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Because I saw a picture of your arms and I was like, hang on a second. Are
Freckles.
those freckly arms?
Mm-hmm. I look like 12 when I have my natural hair color.
You didn't think there could be such thing as a ginger
It's just not very rock and roll for
Anything
me.
away?
I think it looks really pretty on you, but on like a guy, it's just like...
I tried and I split my pants, so I don't know what that is. How successful I've been so far.
The rules.
The rules.
Yeah, that's my motto.
In life, too.
In life,
That's
yeah.
why I'm going to sit like this. The rules, Adam Lambert.